Helo, shwmai a croeso I Teledu'r. Hello to you all. In this video, we are going to look at J2e5 in the J2 launch package. So let's click on the app and it takes us to a simple word processing document. So it's a blank document to start with. So firstly, we look at changing the colour and the size of the page. So we'll go down to the bottom part of the screen. And here you've got an option to make the screen smaller. You've got an option here to make the colour of the page. So once you click on the tick, you can go over to this side and change the colour. We'll make that yellow to coincide with the colour of the school. You can change it to a landscape or a portrait. So we'll keep that as a portrait. Next, we'd like to add some text. So it's simple, you can click anywhere on the page. So we'll just go to the middle and we'll make a title, school's name. It's a bit small there. So the first thing we want to do is make that title larger. So in order to change the font, the size, the colour, you need to make sure that you double click on it and that the blue boxes appear, the blue squares. And this allows you then to make that font larger. When the four squares are visible, it allows you to move to the right side of the screen and change the font, the colour. Okay, you can change the colour by just choosing a colour. You can give that a border. You can make that border rounded. Move it to the middle like that. So pretty simple. So the secret is to make sure that the blue squares are visible in order to move to this side of the screen and change the font. If the blue squares are not visible, then it allows you to change the page. Now then, if we want to add an image, on the top bar here we've got a picture of a person, and if you hover it over it, you can see it says pictures. So if we click on that, okay, these are some pictures I've added before. If it's not in your library, you can click on the globe and that allows you to search the internet, and that internet is inside Hub and therefore safe. So if we go to Teledu'r and we just put a picture of a teacher in, and then that allows us then to drag the picture in from that image, drag the picture in to there. I've just chosen the picture that came up first on the search. Now the same as the font, if you click with the blue squares around it, it allows you to change now the picture and not the font. So we go to the right hand side again. We can make that picture rounded if we want. We can even make it a star. It's not really appropriate there. We'll just make it a bit rounded like that. Okay, I might want to put a frame around it. Okay, we'll change the colour of that frame to be red. And this is a nice feature here. You can convert it to a jigsaw if you want. You click that and allow it then to change it into a jigsaw, which is quite clever. You can even add a solve button, okay, if you desire, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to the undo, undo, undo there, and again. So that's just the simple steps of J2e5. It does contain many more features, but that's the way to start using it. If you want another blank page, you can go to this feature here, which is add. That allows you to have another blank page, and back here. Okay, remember, very important, save your work at the top here. So we'll save the work, we'll call it my school, save, and that work now is saved in my files in the J2 launch. We'll just double check that it's there, and there it is, and that's the image I've used. I hope you enjoyed. There's plenty more videos in our YouTube channel. Thanks very much for tuning in. Bye for now.